Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, this is another video about RA Solutions and Happy New Year. Hope 2022 is a great, fantastic year for you all. I've had a few questions on one of my earlier videos on how to enable and disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome, and there's been a few comments saying that they haven't been able to access where SafeSearch is, and they haven't been able to lock in SafeSearch when they've managed to access it. So what I'm going to do is do a quick video. This is probably going to be my last video on this whole SafeSearch topic, because there's plenty of other videos I want to concentrate my attention on as well. And every year I think what Google seem to do is they seem to be upgrading, updating the way Google Chrome itself works, and they changed the layout and where you can find different aspects and features of Chrome and where to and how to obviously enable or disable them. So this video today is based solely on how to access and use SafeSearch to enable and disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome. So what I've got here is my Windows 10 machine, and I've got the Google Chrome browser opened up here. So by default I've got this page showing up here. Now to access SafeSearch, normally back in 2020, 2021, 2019, you were able to access SafeSearch by going into this top right hand corner here and clicking on these three dots, and then from these three dots by going into settings. However, they've moved SafeSearch. You can't access, well, I couldn't find any way to access SafeSearch by going into this settings option here. So what I had to do was do a dummy search. So I'm going to do a search for something I've been searching for. I've been watching the Dark Knight film from Batman, so I'm going to do a search for Dark Knight. There, click on enter. And now this brings up the results page once you do your search. So here is my results for the Dark Knight. Obviously Dark Knight is the Batman film that was made in 2008. However, I'm digressing now. So back onto the subject to enable, disable SafeSearch. Now here you've got the options. You've got the search box here. At the bottom you've got the options if you want to click on all images, videos and use shopping more. Click on more. You can't see much there. You can't see how to enable or disable SafeSearch there, so that's not where you find it in 2022. If you click on tools, you can't find it there because it shows separate filters. You can filter from here, so it's not there. What you need to do is scroll to the right side and you can see these three options here. So here's the waffle. You don't want that one. You don't want to sign in. I normally do sign in. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to sign in. The one you want is this one here, which says settings, and this is the way to find SafeSearch within settings. So what I want to do now is click on settings. It will bring up this drop down menu here, and this is where you find the option to be able to enable and disable SafeSearch. So the first one here is the one that says search settings. That's the one you need. But however, before I move on to that, you've got other settings in there. You've got the languages, be able to change your language. This one here, the third one, you can hide explicit results. So any results which is not appropriate for children, anybody under the age of 18, or anybody you deem as a safety concern. So you can click on hide explicit results to try and protect them from when they are doing their searches. There's an advanced search option. There's a search history, going back to finding out what sort of things you've been searching on, or whoever's been using your PC. You can collect your data in search, and there's a bit of help there as well on searching options. So the first one here, search option settings, click on that. Now this is where you find the page where you can in fact enable and disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome. So this one here is what you need. So again, turning on SafeSearch helps hide explicit content like pornography. SafeSearch preferences may be set by your device or network administrator. If you can't turn it off, check with the administrator of your network or device. Now, in some cases I've had comments, people have said they can't switch SafeSearch on, or they can't turn it off. The reason they can't turn it on or off is because they haven't got admin rights to do so. So whoever has admin rights in your organization or at your home to be able to do that, you will need permission from them to be able to change these SafeSearch settings. So what I'm going to do here is click on SafeSearch. It's currently disabled, and that's the option I'm going to choose for the purpose of this video. I'm going to scroll down. There's other options you can obviously select or deselect. You can change the language, the region settings here. Once you are happy, you can click on save. You can also sign into your Google account to use any previous settings you may have had, but I'm just going to click on save here, and it will come up with this option here which says your preferences have been saved. So currently my options have been locked in. So I'm gonna, whatever I search for, if I search for anything explicit, which I'm not going to do, you will find it will block out those explicit results and show you something which is deemed fit to be seen, which is not explicit. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure this works, is I'm going to close down Google Chrome here, click on the X. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my website, rasolutions.co.uk, please do so. That's the link here, the URL. So let me open up Google Chrome, go back into Google. So it brings up this default page. Let me do a search for Dark Knight again in the URL. Let me see if I can spell it correctly. And I'm back on it to check to see if this works. Again, go to the right side, click on this cog here, the settings option. Click on settings, go to search settings here, and I can see that my SafeSearch options are turned on there. So they've already been turned on, so I know they've been locked in. If I'm not happy with SafeSearch being turned on, click on that checkbox there, scroll to the bottom, click on save here. It will tell me my preferences have been saved. Click on OK, and to check to see if this works again, close my browser down, go back, open up Google Chrome, do another search for Dark Knight or whatever you want to search for, go to the cog which brings up the settings page, go to search settings, and you can see my settings have been disabled as I selected before. So that's just a quick and easy way showing you how to enable and disable SafeSearch in Google Chrome. And this method, in fact this video I've done today, so happy new year, 1st of January 2022. It's a Saturday today, so this should be working today using that method there. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.